Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Lessons for Humanity from Ongoing Conflicts. Ladies and gentlemen, the conflicts shaping our world today, such as the October 7, 2023 Hamas attack on Israel and the February 24, 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, underscore the profound costs of human failure. Decisions rooted in short-sightedness, ego, and external manipulation have led to immeasurable suffering, destruction, and loss of life. These events compel a deeper reflection on leadership, global responsibility, and the need for a collective commitment to peace. The October 7 Hamas attack exemplifies how long-standing grievances and external instigations can spark acts of extreme violence, setting off cycles of retaliation. The ensuing destruction has displaced countless lives, shattered infrastructure, and deepened the regional instability. Similarly, Russia's invasion of Ukraine, triggered by historical disputes and geopolitical ambitions, has escalated into a devastating conflict, uprooting over 8 million people and leaving cities in ruins. Both these crises have magnified their toll over time, dragging neighboring nations into humanitarian and economic challenges. These events reveal a stark failure in critical thinking by leadership. Decisions were made without fully considering their long-term consequences on humanity. Leaders who could have acted as mediators or restrained aggressive postures choose instead to allow hostilities to unfold. This lack of foresight and responsibility has left millions to bear the cost of choices they did not make. Compounding this failure is the reluctance of global institutions and world leaders to speak out decisively. Clear violations of international norms are often met with muted responses or politically convenient neutrality. This hesitancy undermines trust in global systems, enabling aggressors to justify their actions and propagate narratives that suit their interests. The absence of consistent accountability creates an environment where truth becomes malleable, further entrenching division. The role of media in these conflicts warrants critical examination. While the press plays a vital role in documenting events, the focus on death and destruction often overshadows deeper analysis of causes and solutions. Sensationalized narratives can polarize audiences, diverting attention from accountability and the human stories at the core of these tragedies. A renewed emphasis on investigative reporting and ethical journalism is essential to uncovering truths that lead to meaningful change. For the general public, overexposure to information can lead to emotional detachment. Daily life's stresses and the constant barrage of conflicting narratives make it challenging to empathize fully with those suffering. As empathy fades, so does collective action. This indifference, paired with surface level interpretations of complex conflicts, deepens societal polarization. The human cost of conflicts is immeasurable. Women and children endure the harshest consequences, often displaced, without security or without hope. Generations are raised as refugees, living in shadows of wars they did not start. Young men conscripted to fight lose their futures to battles that bring no meaningful outcomes, perpetuating cycles of loss. The lessons for humanity are clear. Leadership must prioritize critical thinking and accountability, embracing long-term vision over short-term gains, and international institutions must find the courage to stand unequivocally for justice and humanity, while media platforms should champion transparency and accountability. Public empathy and solidarity must rise above divisions to address root causes rather than symptoms. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, the conflicts in Gaza, Israel, and Ukraine illuminate the urgent need for global introspection and action. Wars fueled by ego, manipulation, and inaction yield only destruction. Yet, these tragedies offer an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to redefine humanity's priorities. By placing human life above politics and power, the world can move toward a future where conflicts are resolved with wisdom and foresight, ensuring peace for generations to come. Good luck, God bless, and thank you very much.